Hey, Brian from Gosh Mall. Today I have this this cool dog leash. And normally I'd bring my dogs on camera, but the moment they see a dog leash, they go crazy and we got to bring them outside for a walk. So I'm going to show this to them later. But this is one of these cool, it's like that bungee type of leash, which I like because if your dogs are rambunctious like my dogs are, when they see any, like they see, we have this squirrel we call Roger. They go crazy, like chasing him. So if I have this collar on them, or this dog leash on their collar, and they take off running, I have a quick moment to kind of like get myself ready. And it's not gonna like be like hard on them. So it's gonna be like a lot softer. But that's actually a really cool design. And it's got a quick release that goes onto their collar. Let me just get that. Actually, I think I thought this was like shrink wrapped on here, but yeah, I guess it is. It's more like kind of like a plastic tape kind of. So it's got a quick release that opens up so you can put that right onto the collar. So that's a cool design. Out, then connected. So yeah, that's pretty neat. It's got a handle on it. So if you are holding them for whatever reason, if you're out in public and you have to hold them close and more of a tactical stance, you can do that. So that's great. It's got an extra buckle on it, so you can put like their, I don't know, whatever little accessories you need to put on to their collar. But that's cool. Love that. That is neat. And it's got like it's got like a seatbelt buckle on here too. Looks like. So anyway, so that is your dog leash. Like really cool. That's a great idea. And oh, measurement wise, let's measure it so everybody knows what the actual length of that is. So going all the way to the end of the handle. So it looks like it is it's 53 inches long from that side. And then the lead part, I can figure out my tape measure here, and then the lead part from where it attaches to the collar to the end of the leash, it is basically 43 to the base of the collar. And so yeah, that's pretty cool. And since we have two girl dogs, that's a perfect color for them. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. And this is Sophie walking on her leash. So I like how it's got a little springiness to it. So I'm not like pulling her hard. Okay, so stop, sit. Good girl, sit, sit. And then I like how it's got this this other little lead. Now I just let it go, so now she's walking on me. Sophie, sit. Put your leg under. So I like how it has this other little lead, so if I had anybody walking down the street or something, I got this extra little that I can hold her close. And like I said, it's got that quick release clasp on it. Okay. Get it off. All right. Brian from Garage Mahal with me and Sophie's new leash.